In today's data-driven world, the sheer volume of information can make it difficult to uncover the insights that truly matter. That's where DeepSeek AI comes in. With its advanced algorithms, DeepSeek AI makes it easier than ever to search through vast datasets and find the key information you need. Using deep learning and artificial intelligence, DeepSeek AI goes beyond simple keyword searches. It understands the context, the relationships, and the nuances within your data, providing you with highly relevant and meaningful results. The more data it processes, the smarter it gets. As it learns, it continually improves its ability to spot trends, identify hidden patterns, and refine its search capabilities. This makes it faster, more efficient, and even more accurate over time. For businesses, DeepSeek AI is a game changer. By uncovering actionable insights, it helps companies predict market shifts, understand consumer behavior, and make data-driven decisions that set them apart from the competition. From identifying emerging trends in finance to optimizing patient care in healthcare, DeepSeek AI's ability to analyze complex data is transforming industries worldwide. DeepSeek AI doesn't just answer questions. It helps you ask the right questions, enabling smarter decision-making at every level. With its predictive capabilities, it helps organizations stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're a business leader, a researcher, or a data scientist, DeepSeek AI gives you the tools to explore your data in ways you never thought possible. DeepSeek AI. Uncover insights. Drive innovation.